In many Goan homes, prawn curry isn't just another dish. It's comfort, tradition, and the smell of coconut masala slowly simmering in an earthen pot. There's something special about cooking it this way. The flavors deepen, the aroma fills the kitchen, and the taste feels truly authentic. Hi, my dear friends, welcome back to my channel Noila Creations. Here I have taken 5 prawns, cleaned, deveined, and washed. I added salt to it, and now I am mixing it well. We'll keep this aside to let it marinate. Next, in a mixer jar, add half cup of grated coconut, add half tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 4 Kashmiri chilies. I'm adding 2 button chilies. If you don't want to add button chilies, you can skip it. Next goes in half inch of peeled ginger, 6 cloves of garlic, little tamarind, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, water. Cover with the lid and grind. The masala is ground well. This is what gives Goan curry its real identity. We'll keep this aside for now. Next, in a mixer jar, add 1/4 cup of grated coconut, add some water, cover with the lid and grind. This is the thick coconut milk. I transferred this into a bowl. We'll keep this aside. Next, I cut 3 lady fingers. I chopped half tomato, 1 onion, and I slit 1 green chili. Now I am placing a clay pot on medium flame. I'll heat some oil in it. Then add the chopped onion. We will saute until it turns translucent. Then add the chopped tomato. Add the slit green chili. Saute until the tomatoes turn soft. Now I am adding the marinated prawns. Mix well. Once the prawns are half cooked, add the ground masala. Since there was some masala remaining in the mixer jar, I added water to it and now I am pouring it into the clay pot. Mix it well. Add salt. Mix well. Curry has started boiling. Now I am adding the lady fingers, 2 small pieces of kokum, stir it, Then add the thick coconut milk, little stock powder. Mix well. If you don't want to add stock powder, you can skip it. Cover and let it cook for 7 to 8 minutes. Now you can check if the prawns and ladyfingers are cooked. You can add more salt if required. Look at that beautiful simmer. The gravy has thickened perfectly. The prawns are soft and juicy and the ladyfinger is tender. The coconut masala has blended beautifully, and cooking it in an earthen pot gives it that deep traditional aroma. This is exactly how a comforting Goan prawns and ladyfinger curry should look. If you enjoy authentic Goan recipes like this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Noila Creations. There's so much more to share. See you all in my next video. Until then, happy cooking, sending you calmness and good wishes always. Thanks for watching.